What are we doing today?
Jumping on the trampoline.
We're jumping on the trampoline?
Yeah.
Well, let's go! Go, go, go! Careful! Oh, you're beating me! You're winning! You're winning! What? Oh, there's trash. What? That ball has a mouth. Look, it has a mouth. Look, 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 look. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. Rah! Rah! I win! It's all wet up there. Jump! Jump, jump! You're okay, I'm right here. Is there a hole in the trampoline?
Yeah.
I don't know. Jump and try. Jump high and try.
No. I'm scared.
You want to get down?
Yeah. Oh, my foot's wet.
That's okay. You want to jump? Jump, jump.
No.
You can jump. I got you. I got you.
No, please. No. You can have that one.
Me have this one?
Yeah. You win, you win.
Ew, it's all. Okay, there we go.
Can I get one?
You can have this one if you want it.
That's the mushroom.
What is that? Oh, it's just a leaf.
It looks like a banana leaf.
It looks like a banana leaf.
Yeah.
Bananas are yummy. Now you're making me hungry.
He loves bananas. Yum, yum, yum.
Better watch out. It's going to eat you next.
No, he's eating these. Yum, yum, yum. He loves it.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum.
They're delicious.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, you're a witch. Oh, you fell.
That's the spoon.
That's the school. You're a witch?
Yeah.
Ah, you're a witch. You're scaring me.
I'm a nice witch.
Oh. Ah, you burn. Oh, go, go, go. Jump up there. Jump up there. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again. Run! 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes! Okay, you want to play again?
No.
Ground's lava. 5, 4,
Yeah, yeah.
3, 2. Jump up here. Up here. 1. You know what, Avery? I'm gonna turn you into a pumpkin. Abracadabra, pumpkin. Can you get up there? Ready? You take your shoes off?
No.
You can jump better with your shoes off. Hey Avery, pretend you're fighting a zombie. Pretend you're fighting a zombie. What are you doing?
Pretend I'm fighting something right here.
I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Oh, fuck, you got me. I'm a mummy. I'm a mummy. I'm a mummy. Oh, I'm a mummy. I'm a mummy. I'm a mummy. Okay, now I am a vampire and I'm going to suck your blood. I'm going to suck your blood. I'm going to suck your blood. Are you ready?
No.
You're not ready? You're not ready for me to suck your blood? Why not?
Because I'm guy.
What?
I'm a guy.
You're a what?
Guy.
A what?
Guy.
Avery, it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You?
Yeah.
Let's go up into outer space. Whoa!
Oh, where are we?
Look around. We're in outer space. Oh no, Avery! I'm floating away. Avery! Avery, I'm floating away. You gotta stay in the ship. Stay in the ship. I'm floating away. I'll see you later. Bye. Jump. Look, you bend your knees. Okay, close your legs. Like that. And you bend your knees. Bend them. And you jump. There you go. You want to try it one more time?
No.
Yes. Okay, you ready?
I can't.
Why not?
Because the trampoline is wet.
The trampoline's not wet.
Yeah, Phil.
Let me feel. Oh, yep, it's wet. Hey, you want to go fly into outer space?
Yeah. But I'm putting my
Oh, you're going to put your shoes on? Okay.
filthy mom.
I'm not silly.
Yeah.
Now, do you want to go up in outer space?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do is you put your legs together. Like that, okay? And then you bend them. And you jump. Hey, you're in outer space.
What's happening?
I don't know.
I think I'm spinning.
You're spinning in outer space.
Wow. Wow. The sky.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Now I'm back.
Hold on.
Now I'm back.
Whoa, you're back. How was your trip?
I'm good.
Did you find any aliens in space?
Yeah.
You did? Were they nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And they spin me round.
And they spun you around?
Yeah. No, spin me round.
Oh, they spin you around?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that sounds like so much fun. Did you bring me something back?
Yeah.
What'd you bring me?
Ice cream.
You brought me space ice cream?
No. A mommy ice cream.
Oh, you brought me a mummy ice cream?
Yeah. Is it good?
It's delicious. Ew, I think it's got alien goo on it.
Huh?
It's got alien goo!
Haha.
You tricked me!
Okay. I'm gonna get into the fence again. You know
What?
it?
It's delicious. I do love it. Oh my gosh, what's happening to me? Oh my goodness, I'm turning into an alien. Oh my goodness, what kind of ice cream did you give me? Ah, where am I going? No! Whoa, I'm dizzy. You turned me into an alien. Why did you turn me into an alien? We're getting some ice cream. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Now you're an alien. Okay, you are. Ah! It's an alien invasion.
I'm a nice alien.
Oh, you're a nice alien. Okay, nice alien. Can mommy have a hug? Ugh. Oh my gosh. I touched you. Now we're both aliens.
I'm an alien.
Wanna get down?
No.
No?
I want to play with space again.
What you looking for?
I'm a turtle?
You're looking for a turtle?
Yeah.
Are there turtles here?
I think so.
You think so? Your shoe! Put your shoe back on.
You put it back on.
You can do it.
Okay. Let me sit down. Okay, I found a ladybug. Ladybugs don't bite.
Ladybugs don't bite?
I found one already.
Oh. That's a big ladybug.
Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah, can I touch it?
Yes, you can.
Can I pet it?
Yes, you can. Oh, you actually did find a ladybug, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, where is it? Uh-oh. There it is. Uh-oh, there it is. I see it.
Yeah, that was it.
You gonna touch it?
Yeah, but I already did.
Oh, you already did?
Ladybug.
Avery, guess what? The ground's lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, run! 1! Oh, good job. Huh? Oh, Avery, I'm melting! I'm melting! Oh, you're melting! You saved me, but you're melting too! Oh, everybody! Avery went to save me, but she ended up melting too in the lava. Hey, come here, give mommy hugs. Thank you so much. Oh, you're so wet. Mwah.
It's the back of that. It's a flower.
It's a flower.
Yeah.
I see the flowers. Where's the flowers at?
Yeah.
That's not a flower. Look at your hair. Oh.
It is a flower.
Okay.
I picked flower.
Avery, it's raining. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Your boot fell off. We're dancing in the rain. What thing? Sit down. Get back in there. Get back in there.
No, my flower.
That's okay. Get back in there. Okay, go in there. I'll get that too. Go in there. Can you get it on? getting all wet? Hi. You okay? That mom.
Floor's lava!
5, 4, 3, 2,
Go on the table!
1.
Hey, good girl!
So then how wet you are. Snack because we came in.
Get your clothes changed and you come up here with Nana.
Jump, 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 jump. You're supposed to jump. You're supposed to jump.
Baby son.
You're supposed to jump. Okay, you ready to get your clothes changed? At the snap of a finger, you ready? Oh, better. Look at you all dried and changed now, huh?
But you